All right. Once again, welcome. Good night to South Coast Podcast Raw. We're live every Wednesday night from the beautiful Grigas capital, what we call it, culture capital, Grigadang. Now, yeah, we there are the drums of our fathers. Everybody know it as the Y. But I'm your host, your boy, Frank Atri Magdaleno, live on set.
And you know, from your ear, the voice, it's I, Lord Baron from the galaxies, Earthlings, on the know the choppings. It's South Coast Podcast, raw, live from the drum of our fathers, culture capital. I don't know what happened to our tree today. When I hear the man muffler, the up again, right? When I hear the man muffler.
Right, don't worry about me, don't worry about my muffler. You see, when you start a vehicle, you have to warm up. So that we got right there.
You know, yeah, right, we're from a close. Right? But you know what? We got Jaluna Bitters, and you know we are the ambassadors. So this rate also want to clear up all of the muffler badness. Now watch nothing.
Yeah.
So make a big up with sponsors.
Yeah, with that said, one big up to Garifo Irie, big up to Kush International. We have Wave Radio, Wave TV, we're live. We're live for Hot Off the Press.
Yes.
We're live for Daifa Radio and Daifa TV. And next week we're supposed to be live on the Learning Channel out of Belmopan.
Next week. Rowan
so
plug.
I don't meet with the people instead of just the plug now.
Yeah.
And again.
Yeah.
Big up to NGC, National Garifuna Council. I want to say good night today. And today, Pomona Village Council.
Yeah.
Garimaya, Jude Belize Foundation. Good night. Alright? We know the people we got here tonight. That without Uno, we can't here.
What episode we there tonight?
We are episode 28.
28.
We are episode 28. Since the inception for November. We are episode 28. We miss one show we miss.
Oh, we miss.
I got there right now because I don't want to give it because then a question when I give Ali microwave or Ali 32-inch TV that then the question will come back. Yeah. So I don't want to give away nothing. I don't want to give away no answer for nothing.
Alright.
You take? So you feel lucky. So I got my notes.
So we did that what?
28.
Yeah, and what?
18 for this year.
Alright. 1828.
1828.
Yesterday that's 77 play.
77 play.
Tonight.
88 tonight. Well, you
double follow double.
I don't into the high science thing what you into. Right? But folks, I want to say good night to the people, the diaspora. Big up to the people that were lucky. The one who get sick if we don't come on or if we're late. Today with the tardiness is not our problem today. All right?
No.
One man make we late today. Right? One man make we late today. Right? I gotta work. Still reach at 6:30 set up. And you know the air bread. I call you 2 times.
I don't want to blame somebody.
But folks, say what? This is a South Coast Podcast, right? And that's how we behave. There always are somebody to blame, right? I want to say thanks, Banti.
Yeah.
Thanks to the people that were actually come out for the Mother's Day Cycling Classic. I want to big up Nadia and the crew, everybody went there behind that. Did a marvelous job. right?
Yeah, big up, big up, big
I
up,
want to big
Nadia,
up
big
the
up, Nadia.
riders. We have faith and take this to heart every year. And big up the female, the mother, the mothers them we ride because the race I'm about the mothers.
Yeah.
I never about no elite, no masters, no juniors, no. You know, about the mothers.
Yeah, and you know, for me witness the race.
You may have to the night.
First hand at three.
Why?
I mean, a nice vibes, you know.
First time the man got here the race and
Yeah, the race be nice. The race
but
be
now
nice.
when we go through sometime you just stay in the driving seat, but there got time when you have to there back to work and you know, and then you get wet back there, you get dry, you get wet, that I mean broadcasting and all the music
we have to give kudos to Jen.
Yeah,
Jen, I mean the cameraman and I run there.
we give her kudos for that. Right? But tonight he do a lot of rare tonight. Right? So and I'm not happy that bye. No walk on for my set like that. No walk on for my set like that. The black my camera, brother. Give me that on the side. Anyway, respect yourself, Jalu. I don't want to get mixed up. Me just play it to call you thin skin.
Why the man thin skin?
The man thin skin, man.
Why?
The thin skin.
I never knew a thin skin.
This is a South Coast Raw. I like when you walk on for the set, figure away something. And a pink. Call yourself. Gary for Irie.
Gary for Irie.
Yeah, I'll give away later.
We have a nice young lady.
Female.
A nice female, this thing.
All right. I don't know where you see happening at the tongue for this week.
Why well we could touch pan for when this week. You actually could start this week. I think everything nice this week and things.
With team win.
You know, with team win Saturday. You know, we beat up them boy. You know.
So they got game again.
We beat up Running Pebbles. Saturday. Pebbles get beat up. Right, this weekend we have Napan. Now only one Napan then, yeah?
But Napan something.
Logans?
Trojan.
The Logans?
The Trojan.
Logans, man. The Logans.
Logans, all right.
Logis.
But a road trip.
Yeah, to Saturday.
And
yeah, we went Napan.
I want to make the people know that for this side, this side they have an event. Pomona.
Yeah.
So we got people who are command per set for that. So we not touch a lot on that. Yeah. But also we have the National Garifuna Convention where they take place San Ignacio, right? And that they happen from the 22nd to the 24th.
So from Friday to
Friday
to Sunday.
To Sundays we have all Garifuna for the country, all Garifuna village, any town, yeah, everybody from Libertad to Barranco, but end up the car this weekend, right? And one roof for discuss future plan for the Garinago and plans so what will happen in the future. And also with that, the Saturday night, our big dance. Big dance. We have Noane, we have the entertainer, the primer,
the Miami Heat.
He was the day. And when he the day, he a problem.
No joke, you know.
No germs.
So back.
And then we got Vida and friends.
Yeah.
So that
powerful lineup.
Powerful lineup. I was there. I don't say I'm there at Pomona, but I can't. You have to there at Pomona. I go in that side. So we have to share ourselves. Second, I want to tell you we don't get a job for me the 30th. Hopkins, Belura, Mike. Yes, Mike, brother, Belura. May 30th next week Saturday at Hopkins.
Yeah.
So
May 30th now.
Put that one down in the book. Yeah. I don't get a call. Mr. Maurice, I don't know if you get a call it, but look out for that call and answer that call, please.
Not try to treat Mike bad, man.
Right? Mike, I don't answer my call. I don't know whether my job.
Not treat me very bad, man.
I want big up the crowd that feel it. Big up yourself, Mike Parsons promotion. Yeah. Big up all the boys at New York, the boys at Shy, the boys at Atlanta, Josh and the crew, everybody well keen. I know I know I'm going on my phone it.
Right, actually, I want
Our wait.
make we stick a pin right there, so too.
Uh-huh.
I want to big up all and Garinago.
Out
We come
there.
out na same bite.
For the
For
convention.
that
Or
for
for
that
the
that
consultation.
consultation. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, a lot they go on. You know, and a lot is going on. You know, a lot of communities. You know, and a lot of things that happen for this trackway. Where really
We bring
you
out
know
for
the
throw we have.
important issues, right? But I mean, you know, so of course, I not really about
Politics.
politics and
Yeah.
we
We
not we
born
not
out politician.
we not dive in at anything
Yeah,
there,
we born out
right?
politician. We not going to
They
that.
have other podcasts where deal with that kind of thing
Yeah.
there,
Go to the other podcast
right?
away.
But that consultation as you invite me very important,
And we got
you
Hopkins
know.
this week.
And Hopkins are this week? No,
29th.
29, right?
Yes, Friday, man.
No,
Next week, Friday.
next week Friday,
Yeah.
right? Hopkins are got a consultation for financing, and with that said, um, we have to pick up Abauna.
With that said, you so see invite people come out. Hopkins people. I want to come out in numbers.
Yeah,
Even the one who live that believes will come down that day. Will
yeah,
come out in numbers
and
and defend on the turf.
yeah, and with that said, though, you know, I want to pick up Abauna. For
Yeah.
always, you
Get a
know,
president.
right? For always shed a light
Some of the stuff where we don't know about.
a lot of things
We don't know
right,
about.
where a lot of people don't know about.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So to keep the information going, and it's very good to have knowledge and to be informed. You know, and find information if you need to know. There's information out there. You know, so if you need information, it's right out there for you.
Big up my man John Box. Man made chill it with last night. He say I come back for PG tonight. If you're up on the road box, take it easy with the wait. But the Lord,
Mm.
and I want to take a quick break. Think we intro everything.
Yeah, then we are dealing with
And
it.
then we got our first set of guests. I will
Yeah.
come off a set.
Yeah.
I will left you because I say more than one person there if you come on for the set. We have the first set of guests. I take a quick commercial break. You don't know, they for lamping. The people might got things to give away. So here what? Commercial break. We'll be back. Yeah, that's how you. That's how you. Put that first. Let's roll this right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back live. South Coast Podcast Raw. You don't know what the thing said, you know. No germs. It's your boy Lord Baron from the Galaxies. I don't know what the thing said. We're up on the why. Drums of our fathers. Our ancestors bless we up every week. Cause the thing nice. Weather nice. Stars they out. Moon they look for set. All kind of thing that happen. Huh? Yeah. And we got some special people. Some special people. I don't want to brag too much. Brag, man. I got some special people from set. We come for make we know we are going in at the Citrus Valley this weekend. We have the Pomona Village Council, some representatives from the Pomona Village Council, along with the Pomona Village Council chairlady. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to South Coast Podcast Raw. It's a pleasure to have you folks here on the podcast tonight to tell us about what is going on or what will be happening inside the Citrus Valley this weekend. Charlie.
Yes, good night, everybody. My name is Mrs. Melida Pabon Ingram, chairperson for Pomona Village Council. Well, we're here tonight inviting you all out to our sixth annual Pomona Day, which will be held this weekend, Saturday, May 23rd, and also Sunday, May 24th. So just to share a little highlights about what will happen Saturday, I will be doing the entertainment part. Um, for the stage performance, we'll be having, well, the most versatile sweet pin, Otagriga.
Sweet pain, baby.
Yes, we have Harlem Youths,
Harlem Youths.
Vida Mags, Stinners.
Yes, ma'am.
We have the incredible Master G, who is Mr. Glenn Gentle.
Yes, what, Mr. Glenn, I perform too?
Yes, man.
What, Mr. Glenn?
We have DJ 10, Ota Placenza, originally from Pomona Village.
All right.
DJ Dickies. And of course,
What?
the big
DJ
man
Dickies.
himself, Lord Baron
What
from the
will I
Galaxies.
know?
Yes, man. Have
The
a big
Lord,
one, man.
it's,
You know, when he hit the stage,
it's not
nothing nice.
it's not a party without the Lord. You know?
Correct. Yes, so we're inviting you all out this Saturday. We have a lot of entertainment. We have a lot of games for the kids, for the adults. We have merry-go-round. We also have a big football matchup, which Mr. Emerson will tell you about that.
Yeah.
We have booths, food, snacks, smoothies, drinks, hard and not so hard. So come out this Saturday in Pomona Village, Saturday and Sunday. Entrance fee for Saturday will be $3 adults and $1 for kids.
What the party and they have? What the event will be happening?
Okay, the event will be happening at Fangsharp Football Field, right opposite the police station, or opposite St. Matthew's Anglican School.
Right on the bum.
So you can't miss it.
Yeah, you can't miss
Right
it. You
on the
can't pass
highway.
it. Right? So I say a whole heap of thing, decoration,
Correct.
lot of flags, lot of excitement,
Yes,
man.
if you pass through Pomona right now, they look
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
They're out there in our colors.
I
Fly.
hear from rodeo what the one out there.
Correct. We have one up.
Oh no,
Yes,
one.
man, yes,
Oh.
Hold the horse. Fast. Slow down.
You have a horse man here already,
Yes,
man.
man. Yes,
All
so
right.
come out this Saturday, guys. I will pass it on to Miss Andrea Peters, who is a big representative also of Pomona Village.
Yeah. All right, Miss here.
Hey, good night, Dangriga. Good night, Surrounding Villages. Good night to our friends and families and those viewing online. Special good night from Pomona. My name is Miss Andrea Peters, and I am one of the program or the event organizer. And it is my duty for everybody to be out here tonight to make sure that they inform you all on the areas that they are versed in. Tonight we have ready, of course, you did hear from or Madam Chair Lady, Mrs. Ingram. We have ready to my far right, and you notice he's wearing the cowboy hat. So
Mhm.
he's going to be telling you all about the rodeo. That's a new event, a new feature event that is first of its kind here in Pomona, one of many to come. And for that, we must say thanks to our Honorable Rodwell Ferguson, our area representative, and also to Rodsville Lots Committee. They were the ones who were pushing this initiative. And I tell you, Bantan, and I tell you, Dangrega, believes the world. You're missing out if you're not going to be there
Tell them.
on Saturday
Tell
and
them.
Sunday. So Sunday, come out, relax, and you will be entertained. That's for sure. Reddy is going to give you a little more highlight on that. We also have behind me is no other than Mr. Ferguson, Mr. 305 Ferguson, Ferguson, sorry, Acosta. Well, we have Mr. Ferguson too as well, you know, and he's instrumental. That's Aaron. So we want to big him up too as well.
Big up.
He's behind the scenes, but man, I tell you, he works every day. He and his crew, they work a whole lot. So they have the place looking.
All right. So again, for Saturday, from what time the activities are start?
We start from 10.
From 10 o'clock in the
10,
morning, people. 10
yes.
o'clock, from 10 the activities are start.
Yes,
So,
to 2 a.m.
so we're going so yeah, I got football, the one.
Oh yes, definitely. We
Right.
had that. You actually you roll the ball too fast.
Yeah.
Behind me is Mr. Emerson.
All right.
So Mr. Emerson, he will be the one who will be highlighting you about that.
All right.
So I won't hold the mic anymore. So my job personally, is literally to be in charge of logistics.
All right.
So I make sure that contacts are being contacted or sponsors. Letters are being sent out. Letters that need to be drafted. You know, all the paperwork. So I have to make sure everything
right
is
now
there.
we still have some available slots for people to go in there for vendors.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, we have over 25 booths, and it's gonna be Ram Jam. So, ladies and gentlemen, we encourage you all to come out. Contact the cheerleader, contact our organizers, and you can meet us today too if you want a booth. And we can facilitate you too as well.
And we
So
have enough security, enough parking
to
space.
the maximum, of course. Anytime you come to Pomona, oh my gosh, you don't have to worry about security.
All right,
So
good.
we have security like Fort Knox, so you don't know you are safe, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me kind of pass the mic over to Reddy so
All
that
right.
we don't want people lose, you know, the momentum to
Yeah.
this road or they're waiting to hear. And you want to go to Emmy first?
Yeah,
all right,
make
make
sure-
we go to
make-
Emmy.
because
Make we go
the
because we
road-
have a treat there too as well. So
yeah,
ladies and gentlemen, we have a big treat for you.
Yeah.
Listen to this one. Listen to this one.
All right, good.
Good night, Bantan.
Yes, sir.
That's up, fam. Well, my thing for Pomona Day is a football
All right.
where we try push, we try do everything.
Mhm.
But I got a little surprise for the end of this thing here because we try.
How much team we got for this football marathon now?
Well, this is our thing. So now what we'll do is Taifa.
Yeah.
I bring on a squad here because here we are going.
I want to hear some of the name of the squad they were.
Well, right now when I finish this, I tell you the big excitement here.
Yeah.
So actually, what happened is we have some teams where they hope that at the aim for at least 15-20 teams to reach out
Yes,
to this marathon. Yeah.
And that's nice. That's
Right.
nice,
So
that's nice.
the
That's a big
registration,
thing. That's
yes,
a
sir.
big thing.
The registration will be $100. But this is what happened.
Hmm.
Because of the surprise what happened later on in the evening,
Yeah.
everybody want to play, and then the winner want to take everything.
Okay.
Then
So the partner, how much now?
the part what determine the amount of team we have the day at the marathon,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So you register your $100. Let's say if we got one 10 team there.
Well, this thing is so
Yeah,
like this.
you don't know.
This thing so like probably what 10K match at the end of the evening.
Hold on. Right?
This
So
man just still surprised me more
yes,
than that.
man.
Why?
so after the marathon,
Yeah, no, for that
the
trip
winner
outside there,
carry everything after the marathon.
No.
Later on in the evening,
Uh-huh.
with Valley team, Pomona Impacts
What?
have a matchup against
Who?
Listen.
the 6K man himself,
Who?
General Gambis.
No man.
Stop the play.
Why Gambis wanna walk out? Wanna walk out? Ooh! Wanna want to click up?
Stop the play.
Wanna want to?
So-
Why? So what happened to Graveyard now?
Graveyard man jump in at marathon. Remember, we know.
Why
Hold on,
back so
hold on,
Graveyard?
hold
I
on,
tell
hold
you,
on,
you see? You see how this thing is controversial now? You see how this thing is controversial now?
Hey,
Because
man, matcha, no,
South Coast now the Graveyard, you know. Huh? And South Coast now Graveyard, you know. Graveyard we represent ya. You see what happened, you know?
What?
Big up
You see what happened, you
Come
know?
on, wait.
All right,
Acha,
all
we
right,
have
good.
four valid teams, you know.
Uh-huh.
We have Pomona Impacts.
Mm-hmm.
We have the long-standing Valley Pride.
Yeah.
We have the general himself, Pafu, Pomona
Warriors,
Warriors,
yeah.
and then we have the
Graveyard.
Graveyard.
Yeah.
You know, so everybody want to get their feeling because right now
What now? Nice
I
vibe.
want to challenge. I want to challenge the general himself. We need uno ko play some football in a sun hat. Kondong ya ko the general Gambis. Tell ko na Pomona
Yeah, man, cause they
in a
know,
sun hat.
yeah,
That's 6K.
I know we want Gambia
6K
score, yeah, some
yeah,
hot
6K
play, man.
night
So,
match. We want that during the day
yeah.
where sun the blast.
Boy, this I think look like you want nice and Pomona this weekend, yeah.
Right? So
Boy.
the football registration, the winner care, the marathon registration,
Mm.
and then later on in the evening we have Pomona Impacts versus Gambis the 6K match.
Wings Police.
Wings Police. No, I said 6K match.
Wings
Pomona
Police.
Impacts versus Wing Police.
Boy. This is not
Exhibition.
Gambis, you know what, roll here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was sweet things for true. It was sweet things for true.
We also have a prelude to start.
Oh
off.
yes.
So we want to
Sorry.
emphasize
So
that
so before the actual marathon with the adults, we also have our youths. We don't forget we youths. We have Pomona. We have Pomona Phantoms versus Valley Stars Football Club. This is at U11.
Yeah.
So we include everybody in this Pomona day of the marathon football marathon.
Yeah.
See there?
So Charlie, so far what time the entertainment want start after? So while this football at the one entertainment want to go at the same time too.
So the entertainment part will start like around 1 o'clock.
Mm.
We will have games like watermelon eating contest,
Yeah.
greasy pig, tug of war, dancing contest for kids. Cause the dancing contest for adults will be more in the night, right?
Yeah,
When the kids don't go home, then
Yes,
that will be the adult
Yes,
part
sir.
of this
So
thing.
thing at the one.
Yes, man.
Bubbling at the one.
Yeah, so this thing will start
all
fun.
the bubbling bantan.
I mean,
Are you want to turn up the stage? Are you want to turn up the correct?
turn up the heat and turn
Yeah,
it
so
down.
we start from 10 in the morning and we're going till 2 a.m. We
Why
got
this a thing
security
a
to the
serious?
max.
This a thing serious.
So that's not a problem, right? We are safe.
So football at the one, food at the sell,
Correct.
entertainment at the
Merry-go-round,
one,
merry-go-round.
merry-go-round at the one.
Yes.
Boy,
And that's a
greasy pole.
Yes, it's a grease pole. We got
We had a plan, but we don't know if anybody will climb. Because we do it last year, nobody from our climb. I think the poem is too long.
No man.
Yes, man.
Well, we have to figure something out, man. So
We'll
no,
figure out something, yes.
Maybe we make it, you know.
one thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yep. So that's it for Saturday. I want to pass it on to Mr. Rady Cruz.
All right.
So we'll give you more about the rodeo, about Sunday, May 24th.
So Sunday, what time the thing kick off? 10 o'clock again? In the morning?
Registration starts at 9,
Okay.
and registration is at Pomona site.
All right.
On the site, we have a
Yeah.
cabalgata. This is a parade. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, well, registration starts at 9,
Yeah.
and then we kick off with the parade at 10,
And then again.
and then we
All right,
and
good.
So now, ready, we kick off.
All right, ready. Kick it out.
All right. Pleasant good evening, everybody. So the main event for Sunday now,
Yes, I.
rodeo is coming down to the south. All right. First
Man.
time this thing happened
First
down
time,
to the
yes.
south.
History in the making Sunday.
Yup.
A Pomona, you know.
Thanks, you know.
We not figure far.
Pomona and the minister with it.
Yeah.
With the push for this, you know.
Yeah.
Because why they can't show anything down at Pomona. Now.
Boy.
You know, football and everything.
One nice
understand?
Saturday, but
But
Sunday.
Sunday are the main thing. Sunday all of the cowboy, even the kids can come
Yeah.
out and show anything and stuff.
And on
That's
remember,
what happened.
remember, you know. On can't go on and they go touch up they people in their house. They people they not like when on they touch up their house. And one they take picture they cowboy, they not depend that. Then now they wild house where on say the room wrong yeah. And a Hopkins and Pomona and wrong. Then another kind of house there. So on no they go wrong their valley house. On respect the people at the house. Continue, brother.
All right, so Sunday registration they open 9 o'clock. For the kids especially because the kids really they start off 11. We have a horse parade, you know, to inaugurate the arena and stuff. And big shout out to Mr. Aaron You know, I just stopped there this evening and the arena look nice. You know, the arena look nice and so far we're excited for this road. And
No, I really see the preparation for. I really see the preparation where they going for this year Pomona. This year Pomona and the weekend. You know, kudos to Charlie. You know, I think for putting the work and you know where you put in you will get out.
yep.
You think? Yeah.
So the road they start 11 for the kids. Kids will open everything for it. You know, they start off with the barrel race, pole bending and arena race. You know, we have got two categories for the kids. You have under 12, 12 and under, and then 13 to 17.
Yeah.
And then after that to the kickoff, the adult one, the adult events, everything will be barrel race, pole bending, arena race, and keyhole race. But Pomona do it big. Now I understand for it.
Yes, man. What? Not such
Pomona
a
do it big because they not give out no small prize. The prize and it come good. So everybody who I talked to so far, then they prepare. You know, with that Green Acres, they come out with rock stables where I work. You know, with a banana bank, I know the guys ain't from Outback. I know a couple of the guys ain't from Spanish Coast, San Ignacio, Santa Elena, Cayo, all
My
on the
from back
inside
there,
there.
a
So,
real
you
cowboy
know,
for 2 years.
PG, I know they ain't called by down so they come up on the closer for them, you know.
Yeah.
So we thank the Pomona Village Council for they bring this road down here so now. And the minister of course because they push a lot for it,
When they bring up cow and thing too.
not for this one. Not enough for this one yet. You know, the time it was short and we couldn't get prepared for bring out cow and thing. But definitely for the future, where they look for bull riding and stuff, you know. For anything so
Yeah.
we need a little bit more preparation and stuff. So
Yeah.
well, so in the future, but
Yes, sir.
definitely when I got the bull riding and you know all of them co events in the
Yes, sir.
future.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sound good.
So all of them co why not have to get ready for it, you know.
Yeah.
Take on them bull down afterwards. So
Yeah, man.
yes, man.
I mean, you know, the rodeo is something very, I would say, very uh, attracting. You know, and that is something. I mean, you know, if take on that event, there, Charlie, you know, how that come about? How that idea?
Well, that was something we wanted to do from last year, but the finance we never see it, and it made kind of hard because we never had, like I said, the Ministry of Agriculture up our side. So we find it much easier this year that we have the Minister of Agriculture. So we find it easier for bring the road on this side since we got the connections, you know. So yeah, and the entrance for the rodeo Sunday will be $10 adults and $5 kids.
All right, nice.
So we're starting from 10 in the morning. Well, actually 9 in the morning. We're down to around about 6 or 7.
All right, so everybody, you know, in the surrounding villages, you know, and Dangriga, on the corner Pomona Sunday, the road just start, registration start from 9 o'clock, and the road will kick off till 6:30 in the evening, maybe later. So when you come out and when you make we support our the cause, you know what I'm saying? We done gone at GT Saturday and Sunday, Pomona this weekend, you know. So
So for the halftime show in the rodeo,
yeah,
we have the how we call her, Prestige, we call her, Miss Zahira from St. Margaret's. So
Okay.
she wants to serenade us with a couple of her songs.
all right.
Likewise, Mr. Hector Morales from Alta Vista, El
Alright.
Bukis. Yeah. So he also want to do a little performance for we. I know we have Ozzy the Clone also in the halftime show there.
All right.
You know, so we have the kids doing their performance on the rodeo. Then we have break. So while the adults, the adult male and the adult female, they prepare. So we have entertainment galore out there. You know, so the registration, I believe it's fair enough, because you have a lot of entertainment out there.
Yeah.
So you know, I just encourage everybody to come out, make we full the arena.
Yeah.
And I don't want to call it. In fact, we are challenging mayor to this one, yeah. I know the mayor usually have some horse race sometime with them by in Agriga. Now we have the arena right there at Pomona with only 12 miles. Bring on a horse there, start training on a horse, so we could get in you know, eventually in the future, like
So we call it the Grongs one today.
yes, man. Now the grounds don't let it only for Pomona day, you know.
Yeah.
You know, bring out on a horse, train on a horse, groom on a horse, the horse camp. Yeah, eventually after this, all of that we could, you know, yeah, we could do that right. Yeah, we could do that right at Pomona.
Because them boy don't know if you ride past saddle, them boy not fear.
Well, they are good for the bull riding then.
Yeah, them boy them good now. Bull I want to ride. We only ride in half long yeah.
No, eventually, I turn into something big
But
and bad.
why power serious note, the Mr. Mayor, the town council they complain about the horse there, the stray horse there on the tongue. Gentlemen, if you no no go on no horse, you try to tie on no horse there, foreman. Or no tie in a one yard, one vacant yard, we got a lot of grass. So, you bring them to my yard, I got a lot of grass, you can keep me land, put them and bring the horse back there.
We want to just kind of emphasize to those who will be visiting on Saturday for Pomona Day, the actual Pomona Day, that parking is no longer where we had it last year, which we have the rodeo there at Hillview Arena. That's the name of the arena. So that is occupied. So whenever you come on Saturday, parking is going to be allocated over at St. Matthew's Anglican School.
Okay.
And not to worry, we have people designated for that area too as well. For Sunday, when you come to the road, and we're expecting a very big crowd, that parking will not be at St. Matthew's Anglican School, but it will be over on the other side where we are supposed to be having the tents, the stalls for Pomona Day. So keep in mind, Saturday parking is at St. Matthew's School compound. Sunday parking is around the perimeter of the football field at Frank Sharp football field.
Sound good. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Pomona sounds very, very exciting this weekend. You want the town. We have a nice sound system going on out there, nice stage. We could talk about the sound system and everything.
Yes, for the sound system, we have altitude songs out of Mango Creek, Mr. Jordan Zabani. We have the big stage, light up and everything, so they were nice.
Everything are nice.
Yes, man, out there are nice. And everything will happen right on the football field. So you don't have to worry about, you have to allocate and go to wheels and go dance. Right there, everything will happen. So you pay your $3, right there, the party suite, paying for your pass.
Man, that nice, man. That nice. That's all.
We just wanna inform you all that there will be entertainment for all ages. So don't think about staying at home because you don't like the football. Because if you don't like the football, come eat. We have a lot of food. If you don't like food, then come dance. We have dance in the nighttime too as well. If you don't like that, we have games.
And we have any deals for the drinks and thing like that?
No,
like
no,
$3 beer.
Drinks because we got bills to pay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can't really got no deals for
No
drinks.
deals.
No.
No deals for drinks.
Yes, man. We also got mixed drinks bar out there too. So.
All right, they want several bars out there too and things.
Yeah.
But to be honest, man, let us kind of like touch base on that a little. For me as dealing with logistics, why it's pretty hard for us to kind of like cut back or have deals on drinks, especially or anything there right now, is because sponsorship has been pretty hard for us. This year we found it to be pretty hard this year because a lot of people have been experiencing a lot of financial constraints, which we understand. And so we can't pressure people if they don't have it. And so for those who have given us, their time, their attention, maybe financial contribution or contribution in kind, we just want to extend our gratitude. Be it $5, $10, whatever it was, we are super grateful for that, and we just want to extend our thanks to you all and still come out. We appreciate you all the businesses. Miss Melida will touch a bit on some of our sponsors. Is that okay?
That's man, definitely man. I know you must have a long list of sponsors.
Yes, correct. But we're out every day, so but just a special thank you to everybody, and Pomona Village Council, Honorable Rodwell Ferguson, Dangria Town Council, Pedro's Pizza, Niche, Belize Tourism Board, Mr. Mark Wagner, Mr. Thurman Williams, Mr. Jerry Williams, Jan Chen Store, Pomona Shopping Mall, DEC and Sons, Z Blocks, Travelers Liquors, Koyos Distillery, Hummingbird Distributors, West Track, Caribbean Tires, Mrs. Samira Bowman, Ella's Cool Spot, Mr. Delvo, Grace Kennedy Limited, Mary Shop Fine Food, ADS Limited, Easy Investment, Radsville Lots Committee, Beauty Palette, Beaches and Dreams, Abauna Hopkins, Caribbean Chicken, Quality Poultry, Puma Gas Station, and Mr. Brian from James Bus. Also Lacqua. from Alta Vista.
BTL.
So also BTL and Smart.
All right. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, last words before we cut out, make we know, make the people that know why they need to come to Pomona this weekend. And one more time, tell me now what all want to go on there. We don't have no race though.
No, we don't got no race. We
Alright.
don't got races. Yeah.
All right. Well, the race have be with the house, then,
Yes.
Correct.
right? So,
The last time we had bicycle race, but we never got on this.
all right, then good. So, all right. So we have mechanical rides for the kids.
Correct.
We have jump house. We have everything there. We have food. We have drinks. We have slush.
Entertainment.
We have entertainment. Man,
We have a rodeo on Sunday.
road up Sunday.
And the Sunday also carries its own entertainment.
Yes, one
So
entertainment
we
when
have
they
a
want
stage,
Sunday.
we have our commentator, we have food, we have drinks. So come on out. We have shade too as well, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
So if you're worried about the heat, put that aside. We will take care of you.
All right then.
Yeah, one more thing, man, I
Yes,
forget to mention for the rodeo.
Yeah.
Bring out your best boots, your dress.
Oh yeah.
So you have the best dress cowboy
Sure.
and the best dress cowgirl.
Man.
So you come out and then you dress up and try to win some money. Yes. So you got that. Saturday will have their own DJs.
Yeah.
And the rodeo part will have their own DJ.
All right.
So we have in the country section we have Father Dooley there and DJ Khalif from Pomona.
All right.
So they guys are spinning tunes there for the rodeo.
That's a nice,
Right?
nice.
So
point to mention.
Saturday entertainment and then Sunday we just cool off and relax up
Yeah.
to the western and country.
Yes, man. That's the
and
vibe.
watching
That's the
nice,
vibe.
nice
Yeah,
rodeo.
yeah.
So
Nice
remember again, cowboy, best dress cowboy and best dress cowgirl.
Yeah. So it's a family event.
Yes, man.
It's a family event, people. It's a family event.
Yeah,
you know?
we got DJ Regime out of Griga who had to spin the wheels so it's Sunday. We try to work with the Griga people there because they always a supporter, right?
Yes,
The businesses
yes,
in Griga always support
Yeah,
Pomona. So we always get the Griga people there involved.
You
Pick
know,
up the man.
I
By Lord Baron, by Easy Investment.
Pick up the man. So we have the two MCs. We have MC for the morning session and we can't put Lord Byron the man.
No.
Ladies and
It
gentlemen.
ain't at night when the kids they don't
We have
go
to
home
put
because
something at night.
Yeah.
get to raw.
Yeah,
No, I'm not fast so close, right?
Correct. Yeah, so Lord Baron ain't at the night on the stage while they tuning things away. And then we have Reno from Georgetown who are on the stage show during the day.
All right. Good.
So-
Nice to mention, man. Nice to
Yes.
mention.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate you folks to come on down to town and make we know, spread the word, And Pomona is only a stone throw away.
Right.
I always tell Charlie the Pomona be tongue directly.
No way, I don't the capital agree. This thing I don't set. This thing I don't
Yo! Why?
This thing I set already, man.
That nice,
Yeah, so you don't know this weekend,
yeah.
compact. Reach out to Pomona because nothing really happen nowhere else.
No, na Pomona what
That's how we
happened.
set this date. A lot of
Yeah.
people say, why never 15th or why never 16th, why not in a month?
Nah, Pomona
Now we
was
want
nice.
to clash with the artists why they are sitting in a month.
Yeah.
And we never want to clash with Georgetown there. We try to work with everybody.
Yeah.
So Pomona, that the place to be this weekend.
Weekend, definitely.
And if you don't have nowhere to stay, that's not the problem.
yes.
That's how
We got hotel.
you can't complain.
What
because
Pomona
we
got
got
hotel?
Davis Falls
Pomona,
Inn.
why Pomona
We got
got hotel?
hotel. You want 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, you want 1 room, 2 bed, you say it, you get it.
Huh?
Right?
Yes,
Just pay the
man.
price and not a problem. So
And they got key of that too,
oh, we got
They
yes, man.
got
We
key
got
of that.
everything there.
Yeah. We
Yeah, so
got
now reach out to Pomona this weekend, man.
Huh?
We got pool to yes,
Yes,
man.
man.
We
They
got
got pool,
everything
man. They
there.
got pool about them,
That's one of
man.
our
Everything
sponsors,
there.
Pedro's Pizza.
Yeah, man. They got pool at Pomona too,
Big
man.
up Pedro's Pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pomona na go a hot spring na back there too.
And the
Find
cover,
that
and the
too.
cover. Yeah, and the cover.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm gonna come out to Pomona this weekend. It's gonna be active. It's gonna be family friendly. It's gonna be fun,
Right.
and it come out for our verticals.
Right.
Pomona is where it's gonna be. So, of course, podcast raw. We're gonna take a short break, and then we come back with a tree, and then we wrap it up. And we got some. Then we are give us something when we come back.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
So we want to just say thank you, DIFA, thank you, the organizers of DIFA, for having us on the show. We truly appreciate your time. We appreciate. Yeah, we want to give her
You want
two
to pass the rodeo?
pass.
All right.
Two pass for the
All right. All right.
For
We are
the
give
rodeo
away.
or for Saturday.
Goes well. All right. We are give away. We are give away. What
Yes.
2 pass for Sunday. All right then, Charlie. I will left that for you. Easy.
Yes. So the first question, make we know what time this road will start and what time you finish.
All right. Good.
We don't say that already.
All right. Good.
So the first person for answer, you get a pass to go in at the road on the Sunday.
All right. Come in, Carla. What time the road just start Sunday? You get 2 pass? 2 pass?
Yeah.
2 pass. Mommy, what time it start and what time it finish? We don't say it. We don't say it. Easy.
Are you ready?
And who that by?
Okay.
Put it live. Now what time it start? 2 tickets. Huh? Lucky? What time the road just start? What time the road just start? Sunday. And what time? Yeah, done. I dep on the live right now. Nobody. All right, somebody say from 10 to 6.
Correct.
All right.
Huh?
Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
All right.
Yep.
Just like that?
Yeah.
All right, David Cruz. Write that down
No,
fast.
David Coast that not fair. You're a part of the committee.
No.
Huh?
You can't win, David. You're a part of the committee.
No.
David Cruz. David Cruz. You're correct, you know. But you're wrong.
Yep.
You're way out, man. David, now my classmate, you know. Now he say one, the bad man, the bad for young. David, you're rude, you know. We have Michelle Andrews. She said from 10 to 2. Michelle, you're correct, you know. But you're wrong.
That's for Saturday.
All right, good.
That's Saturday.
Where were they?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
We have changed the question because David, we don't get the answer.
Yeah.
So,
All right. David, now a bad boy, man. David, the bad man.
So, all right.
All right.
So
Hold
we
on.
are changing the question.
We are changing the question
Yeah,
because
don't get it, right?
David, he don't
Yeah. So again,
mess up the vote.
yeah. Again, radio mentioned it. You know,
Spile ballot, man. Spile ballot if I young, you know. I'm a ballot, man. I'm a classmate, man.
so since David get one there, we are changing the question. Name 4 of the activities where happen during the rodeo.
All right, 4 activities.
Yeah, the four races where we have the 4 events in the rodeo.
4 events in a rodeo.
Mm-hmm.
All right, give me 4 events where they happen in a rodeo.
Yeah.
Come in, chat.
make it easier for them. We have up the flyers.
Huh?
Yeah, the flyer right there.
Flyers right there. They have all the answers.
The flyers they on the
Yep.
on the app. The flyers they right on the app.
4 events.
Wanna check out the Pomona Village Council
the 4 events.
there.
4 events. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, you know the man, actually. I will valid that, man. I will valid. All right. They're on the app.
Yeah, right there.
Easy. I'm going to go on the app. All right. Wait, Over there.
We have 2 tickets. 2 tickets.
Two tickets.
The 4 races. Yeah,
The 4 race event. 4 race event where they happen Sunday.
Yep.
I'm going to go on the app, people. Easy.
What's happening?
Pomona, what's happening?
Yeah,
Pomona, what's happening page.
The flyer is right there.
I'm going to go on Pomona, what's happening.
So here the organizers or the committee members, if you have a flyer, you know somebody You could share the flyer with them and have them call in or send in the message.
Why David can't
But
win?
David can't win because David is he's on the committee.
David,
conflict of
boy,
interest.
David, a conflict of interest every time, you know.
Yeah, but he's still a part of the committee.
Share the flyer, Dave. You can win, man. Yeah. You need to give away 2 passes and a Billy Balkadir, Dave. Nobody in the chat.
Yeah, you have to, yeah.
Yeah, by next segment, we are next segment, I give away a segment.
Yeah.
Right? So, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, with the come back, we are taking a shortly break, so post podcast, I want to say thanks again to the Pomona Village Council members for come out to support podcast tonight and tell us what's going on at Pomona this weekend. And it's going to be an astronomious weekend inside the Citrus Valley. So, want to come out and be a part of it. Because if you're not in Pomona Valley, you're nowhere. No germs.
Okay. Thank you, guys. See you Saturday. You get trouble.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Welcome back to South Coast Podcast Live. All right, Panny Y, episode 28, 18 for this year. And I also want to say thanks to our sponsors. Thanks to those who make it possible for us tonight. I want to say thanks to Garifo Ira, Kush International Barber Salon, Wave Radio TV and Radio. Hot Off the Press, Jaluna Bitters, Die for Radio and TV, NGC Convention, Garimaya, big up to and Pomona Village Council for this event for Pomona Day this weekend. So, well, we head down to our final segment, and usually for the final segment we free up with our Santa Claus in a May. We're back there again. So we have a nice pair of sneakers to give away. We have size 10. We have
size 9 to me though.
we have 2 Rude Boy, and we have 4 tickets for the dance for the National Garifuna Convention that take place that's in Nassau, Ohio this weekend. So the Lord, I don't know which one you want to take, but you could start with the Rude Boy early, the sneaker, or 2 of the ticket, and 1 Rude Boy, or 2 of the ticket and the pair of sneaker. I don't know what are you.
I call you just come on
I a long time. That I love. First time it worked for money. First time it worked for money. That's the way you carry the load. I mean with me. We get surprised by the attack way with our guests tonight. So we make space.
So anyway, make we give away this thing now.
Yeah, man.
We want to give away this out the pair of tennis.
Yeah. For somebody for Pomona. We got a Pomona there. Garifo Ira.
I'll courtesy. Garifo Ira. Right? This are sneakers and our nice sneakers though. Alright, tell me now what episode we're there tonight. This is one easy, this is for the real South Coast podcast community. Check what episode we're there tonight. I win yourself this pair of tennis. Nothing a nice young lady. Pink and grey thing. Yes man, still man. Still smell like Confabal.
Alright. What episode we there?
Yeah,
Nobody yet?
Nobody.
Hey, trouble. That I mean I done. Whole Pacino takes it. The whole Pacino takes it.
Now this one have to be a female, Yeah.
You could win it for
No
your
man, man could win it for your man.
and the ma, the sister.
Yeah. Now for the ladies.
Alright. What episode we there?
I
win yourself this pink and grey and white sneakers.
Yeah.
Why well designed.
Yeah, man. Well
You get a white pants and a little pink shirt.
yeah. Flush.
Bend out.
Oh,
Bend
damn
out.
bad.
You want to go on this, you know, believe.
Huh?
A fubu or what are the brand? Fabulous, sir. I know that no green bottom. That's
No.
the one thing I know that no
No
green
man.
bottom.
This is Adidas, man.
Adidas. Alright.
So-
Giveaway. What episode we there?
Episode with the easiest.
We always mention what episode. We give it for rake. That must not play tonight and we don't know. We rate up our set and don't know that must
9
not
o'clock,
play.
man. No man no play.
No man no play?
No man no play. We got 10
We
more
got 10
minutes.
more minutes for Bolero. Yeah. So, with that, remember, it's all about the National Garifuna Convention taking place the 22nd to the 24th this weekend in San Nassau, Ohio. And also, then when you don't want to go to Ohio, you go 14 miles from here and you end up the Pomona, and you go to Pomona day. Right? Then you have the day, so
Pomona will line, will compact and nice.
Pomona got a nicely line up for everybody. When you come out and support, you know. They say they are the capital of citrus. This is the culture capital. Now you see rain for the past 3 months. We people's the right man. They got way back.
Yeah.
They got way back.
It's a dry season, man.
I think when it start rain, my man, that right now we have to have fun with it outdoors. I tell you, next month onwards we are mostly indoors. We're going back.
Yeah, because of the rain.
Because of the weather change. I mean, like I said, no, June 1st to November, we like take it for granted, but that is hurricane season, right? So we need to prepare and be aware because the heat where we get something to come behind.
Why we're gonna see
We get so crazy heat, man.
I don't know what.
So we have to prepare and you know what, Anyway, please don't text for this tennis because we will send it back for Gary for Ari, you know. Huh? Who that? Who that? That Pac-Man. I tell you, that Pac-Man.
We're not near tonight.
What episode? I don't want to talk to you, Packy. I don't want to talk to you. I didn't know the answer. Me don't want to talk to you. Me don't want to talk to you, Packy. Why? That what episode with it tonight? And how much they are? The Packy don't know what episode with it? Why, I tell you. But anyway, the Lord, we still got 4 tickets.
So tickets for car. Make we give us some tickets for car.
Yeah, make we give us some tickets for car. But that's still in the hand. That tennis step on the line.
That tennis is still on the line right now.
That step on the line. Right? But also, name me, alright, I got 2 tickets. Name me 2 artists who are there on the show.
Nakayo
this weekend.
Easy drop.
2 artists who are there on the lineup, and you win yourself 2 tickets for you and yours.
Just like that?
Easy, man. Easy. Easy.
Link we up, chat, link we up. Then ticket out there, you got 24 hours.
Yeah,
24 hours. 24 hours.
After that, we keep the name 2 artists.
Michelle Reyes. Michelle Reyes 34. If we say 34.
Michelle Reyes.
Michelle Reyes.
You're right in about.
You're wrong, girl. Yeah.
Michelle, try again.
Michelle, you have to try again, girl.
You know, you're cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Name 2 artists where they at the bash Saturday after the convention, after party.
Yeah.
Saturday. Well, not really after the convention, because the convention will continue Saturday, Sunday. But Saturday night, the party. Yeah. Nice.
Give away what episode with it, and you win yourself a sneaker, a pair of sneakers.
Hey, now part the thing I go on a car and I set no?
Yeah, that's it. Right there we are there. Name we. Hey. We don't got a winner. Yeah, we got a winner. Miss Andrews, Michelle Andrews, win the 2 tickets for the Pomona Rodeo. Yeah, the ticket gone. They one are gone. But we have 1 for the sneaker. Name what episode. What episode we there? Tonight, and give we 2 artists. Where are they on the line up there? Kayo.
Easy.
Just like that.
Now who called for that?
That Pac-Man. That's the Pac-Man. I know that the Pac-Man. And I don't want to talk to her.
What list?
He won't listen, you know. Go.
You can't win none, Pac. You can't win none. The coffee answer. You can't win. Yeah. You can win.
Paki, you're a part of the team. Make I tell you, can't win. Nobody for your house can win. Your sister can't win. Your brother, none of them can win.
Not even your post can win.
Yeah. Every week. Right? You know fair, Paki. You know fair. Then
Alright.
you still going to cry out Saturday? No, man. You know fair. You can't win, yeah. Yeah.
Still win a car Saturday.
Still going to cry out. And this person still takes, they say, episode 30. No. No, they crying now, you know.
They correct.
They wrong. No, you warm.
When they wrong,
You leave warmish.
Alright. You should raise. You can answer. You can answer again. You
Yeah,
don't,
because
you don't
part
answer
of
3 times.
that race there that far.
You don't answer.
Paki.
You should raise. Can win again.
Then a Paki race.
You should.
No race can win. You see where you call Paki?
Actually, Ishel Reyes can't win again because you only got 3 strikes. Ishel, you don't get 3 answers. You strike out.
You said 30. You said 34.
You said 29. You strike out.
You strike out.
You strike out. No. Try answer again. That was a question. Ishel, you strike out. 3 strikes.
Vina Mags and friends and Miami Martinez.
We said 3 artists.
No, 2. That
Alright,
person win. That person win.
Now 3 artists.
Esteban Cook. 2 men.
Alright,
Esteban Cook.
Alright, Esteban Cook.
Junior and Alpha Kayo.
Write down the man. Write down. Now, what part of the country? What part of the country you're from, Esteban? When you get to the door where I got your name there.
No, I got a name. If you don't call it the ID, then they don't win.
Alright, good.
Alright, that gone. 2 tickets. Yeah, congratulations. Esteban, you win 2 tickets for San Ignacio Cayo for NGC convention this weekend.
After party.
That the after party, that the dance. We have Vina Mags and friend. We have Nwani. We have Miami. And we have YG song. Buy better than that. The whole agree got to go to Cayo. The whole agree got so 2 tickets gone. Check the live for the sneaker. Right? Courtesy I got her for
Shirley, I don't tell you, Shirley, she strike out. I don't know why
Shirley still the answer? Why?
Shirley, you don't strike out.
By where Esteban they say no.
Esteban from Sarawina village. She's from Sarawi for 4 miles.
Sarawi, alright. You going to Cayo?
Man going to Cayo, man.
Alright, good. Alright. Check the live, you know.
Alright, good. Over there.
Somebody say, some Augustine say 32.
Brittany Augustine.
Yeah.
You're correct or no, Brittany?
But
You're wrong there.
you warmish, you warmish. Brittany, you warmish.
Yeah.
Right? The answer is right there, no. If you watch the screen, the answer is there, no. I know we mentioned it numerous times.
Yes, man. Actually, I noticed that they use that a big words there. No,
have to buy because
you could just say, I know, we mentioned it a lot of
No.
times. You don't have to say numerous times.
Yeah.
More than one time.
You see,
You know?
that village man, I know what I call him.
No, you don't know for saying, right? You don't know for the village of intelligence. You don't know for the village of intelligence. No.
I know what.
You don't know.
I know what I'm going
You don't.
But anyway, check the live, man. Not to distract me. Check the live.
Where the live?
Chat live.
Where were they?
Sarawi, the man
Alright, somebody. Oh, lads.
Race? Again?
You don't get strike out me.
Right, somebody say episode 19.
Episode 19?
You're right, you know.
No, but you're wrong.
Boy. Yeah, man, Jalu, I have from this village, right? And my village where I come, remember no, I have the whole of South. I represent every village. Right? I have that village.
Right, me have to say,
Race, you get banned for tonight.
Race.
You can't win. And you're determined to, man.
We are black race, you know.
You're a black race, you know. You're one click, you know.
Race.
One click, you know.
Race. Die. We have a black race, you know.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
All right.
Uncle Demos, the answer for Las Vegas. And he said 26. Check the live, man. Perlin Jones.
Probably Perlin Jones. We
Perlin
don't pass
Jones.
We don't pass that, man.
Yes. That wrong. Episode 19, Perlin Jones. I said that. Then they say repeat the question. The question is, name what episode with it tonight. When number episode with it tonight and you win yourself. Why I tell you now. States, why?
Why smell like cantabal?
States fresh.
Rich, fresh.
Gary Ferrari
again.
Big up Gary Ferrari, man, every time. Big up Zane, man.
Big up Zane.
Oh, if you don't know what this, our carrot, you know.
Uh-huh.
Check the live.
Check the live.
Why? Somebody say 13. Race, you're right, you know.
No. You want to get black now. Black race. Black race, you know.
Why? Paki, behave yourself, boy.
Black race, you know. Blacker.
Tell the show done. Then we are open your mouth. You answer again, you know.
Huh?
You answer again. 30.
You say, no blacker.
Huh?
Right.
All right. Wayawa.
Good.
One ticket for Wayawa.
Esteban Chuck said 25. Esteban Chuck.
No, man, we know they are 25.
No, you're right,
You're right.
Esteban, but you're wronger.
As we start the show, commercial break, we tell you what episode we're there. We give it in a rake for Bolido.
Rake in a Bolido today.
You know, and
now when number play? Give me a link there.
Right, Just 13 pass.
Esteban
Ranger.
Ranger.
Minutes to Bolido.
Esteban Ranger.
But somebody say, who this man I know? 25.
No, that one there. Esteban Ranger.
Esteban want this thing, boy. Esteban want this thing. Esteban, you want me, no? You're the wrong the corner. But you don't reach the spot. Right, Esteban, you're the wrong the corner, but you don't reach the spot.
You don't reach the spot, Esteban. You don't reach it.
Alright, so that 3 ticket can, you know.
Alright. Make us see now. Wait. Make us see who don't get strike out. Because
right? So we got one.
Yeah,
we got one more ticket and 2 road boy, you know.
Alright, so Brittany Augustine, you don't got 2 strike.
Huh? One more?
One more for Brittany and you are get black.
Answer.
Yeah, you get black. If you answer after that.
Make sure you got the correct answer on the 3rd time.
Make sure, Brittany, you only got 1 more.
Yeah.
For you.
Why?
No, alright.
Bye. Oh, no. Why? This thing I look good. Why? If you don't got a car, you could go to Pomona, you're clean.
Clean now.
G-Dong.
Huh? No germs.
And it light like the paper. Good thing, man.
Oh, man. God.
Good thing, this man. Why? Why this person the answer, but he the answer me now for WhatsApp. And this answer correct.
Hold on, wait.
This answer, yeah, where I get correct, you know.
Alright, Brittany, strike out. Brittany, strike out. Brittany can't answer no question again right now. If you answer 1 more, black.
Jerome Galindo, episode 24. You're right, you know.
You're wronger?
But you're wronger.
Yeah.
You're wronger.
You're wrong. You're right, you know. You're wronger.
Boy, what we Jacinta say? Jacinta say 91.7. Boy, I just want to give you a ticket. I just want to give you a ticket.
No.
For she bravery.
I just want to strike you out. I just want to strike you out of Black Sea.
We don't ask for the frequency.
Well, anyway, but
And
because
like,
91.7,
you're right, you know.
radio station,
We are give a pass.
we are give a pass.
So I will give Jacinta.
Night, Miss J. Actually, what's this? Actually, what's this, bad man?
Hey.
So no.
That is sneakers.
No, we don't have sneakers now.
Yeah.
We don't have sneakers. Miss
This
Jacqueline. Watch that. She the original South Coast Raw.
Yes, original.
Original.
Hold on.
That package. By Pac-Man. I got a rude boy for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you will get it Saturday when we go to Cairo.
Okay, then, no problem.
So where you got to tell Bantan now?
Tell Bantan, the next time the right name now.
FMC.
They are unblocked, you know, because we don't got nothing else to give away.
Yeah, you don't get nothing else. We don't give.
You don't pass.
Not text again. Not texting again. No.
Yeah, Pac-Man, take care of yourself, Packy.
Tell Bantan, G-Man, they play like Wednesday and Friday.
G-Man, they play Wednesday?
Yeah, next week, the 27th and the 29th.
27th and 29th.
All right, we'll get back to that. Why 27th and 29th? Back match?
Yeah, that place I'm playing on the 27th.
All right, then. All right, bless.
Yes, right.
All right, Pac-Man. Worthless young boy. Worthless young boy.
Badly, boy, man. Everything,
Young SMC will win. But we there, the sneakers, you know.
All right, good. Where were they now? Where were they?
Right there, everything. Bye. So which question you got? Why that's a hard. That's a hard. All right, we are changing. Name me the owner of Gary for Irie.
All right, good.
Right? And then you win yourself this sneaker. Will you try and make it easier? Name me the owner of Gary for Irie. And you got clear.
Just like that.
Just like that. We want to get rid of it. All right? We want to get rid of it.
Pink and grey and white.
Yes.
Just like that.
Just like that. That hint, nah, do nothing because then I know that who. I did tell you, Jalu. That's why I never want to change that question. All right. Just give the name and who owns Gary for Irie. Easy. Here, one of our sponsor every night.
I want a Jalu boy.
Always they hang it Jalu frontier when wrong 19. They always got stuff frontier for sale. The man that original Grieger man.
Easy.
Red for wrong the black cat too. No way far for wrong over there. Right? So give me a name and
you win yourself.
You win yourself this nice sneakers.
Nice,
nice brand new States. Smell of States. Yeah. Why make I say that who this? Somebody the text why the text hot. Alright, bye. Big up Solomon. Big up make I big up the crew, big up the NBC crew every time. Right? Even though a lot of people they complain, I hope when you see them new bus and that they got AC, you know, when you tell me thanks, you know. Alright? Just remember that, you know. But right now when they ride on that's a nice cool special coach.
So the bus now be what? E-buses?
E-friendly. They will be E-friendly. And I smoke you when I overtake you. Everything no gas.
Just slow and current.
The current. So right now, hey, technology good and it bad because when the bus and the vehicle they start koya, we are shut down the gas station. We don't need gas. Real. Maybe the factories and companies will need gas, but they were there on their own.
Why?
I was plugging my thing.
Why, but I had 2 days the 5:30 bus no run from Belmopan to Dangriga. Why? Now we on then.
Why well you know they have shortage of bus, you know. So like how the minister said we wait for the fleet come in that will alleviate the problem. You don't worry about the problem, man. You worry about to solve the problem. Right? So after this month, that problem solved. They were like all bus run. Anyway, guys, hey, big up Brian, big up the whole crew, big up all the girl, the terminal management crew, the Griga, Belmopan and City. Big up on us. When you do a wonderful job, you don't care when nobody say.
Because after when
every thing where they transfer to, they got hiccups. Rome wasn't built one day. So me don't care what you say. I will give them about.
come in, Carla.
Come in, Carla.
Come in, chat. Come in, chat.
Yeah, come in, chat.
Now who lock off the Gary Irie?
Who the founder, Gary Irie.
Yes, side.
Right, give me that name. Griga Youth Man. Always there, Jaluna. Hey, print. Check.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that day we there. We need that name arise that time, right? If we don't give it to it tonight,
Next
Wednesday, and we are built up at this. You are there, and we are put a. Yeah.
So we don't give away all of the ticket, ne?
We don't give away all the ticket there. Yeah, Paki can't win.
No. Paki can't win the tennis. Man don't win it too, rude boy.
Yeah, Paki.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
VIP,
man.
yes. So with that said, tomorrow, tomorrow again the Dangriga Football Association, and that's 15.
What play?
U15 and U17 tomorrow. The Caramo Stadium tomorrow evening, right? So and when Sunday again and Tuesday again. So this whole week it's on youth football.
7-5 and 5 we got 2 games.
Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursday, right?
Yeah.
5 p.m. and
6 p.m. Yeah. Every Tuesday and every Thursday. So now come out now, Caramos for support the thing.
Anything you have to say, Carl?
So whenever I have the day for short Tuesday, so I have it tomorrow Thursday, right?
Oh,
all right.
All right.
Tuesday, the boys out there, so I couldn't have the show. Me and Charlie, I couldn't have the short Tuesday.
So that tomorrow.
All right. So Daifa our guy show tomorrow, right? Yesterday the Daifa under 17 played last night, right?
Who?
Chance man.
Chance man.
Well, this discussion tomorrow will be Chance man.
But that about you.
No why?
But they don't pay you for the run.
Hmm?
The difference with the cycle man. Done?
Difference?
Yeah, you don't.
You are see it.
Anyway, tomorrow, yeah, Chance man. They don't give nothing and then they want to go around. Go wear long pants and want to push on the foot on the table after graduation. I don't know how they get there. Anyway, that was different. I know my show. I'm not going there after Maurice and Charlie Mar. Right? So that tomorrow show. Instead they go shake that man hand by.
Yeah.
Go drink a beer with that man by. Shake it. Yeah. You don't take care of your youth. You don't
Yeah.
take care of your youth.
Shake your hand.
Shake your hand. That tomorrow, boy. That if we stay here right now, that till morning,
Another
another
conversation.
conversation. And I know then it takes. Alright, so hey,
Come up to bike. You know, I want that from
there one with that front seat. Then the other thing when you know where. Why watch out anyway? With that said and done, folks, South Coast Podcast Raw episode 28. 18 for this year. I'll say it again. It don't gone. Episode 28, 18 for this year. If God give us health and strength, we are right there, same place, same time. South Coast Podcast Raw. No germs. We gone. One love. But the thing is because this one mixed right. Then I get then mine, right? Yeah. Well, I eat salbutes. Yeah. Never like that. But now when you want to send this one, the youth a melter, the board up. That's why you could get one permit. Yeah. The permit that one day, $20 or $40 you could do that for.